Hey, what is going on, Goblin Noise? It is me, your boy, Spooky Goblin, back with another magical video. I got on the hat again. So let's just get right on into it. If you had a name for top 5 fast food joints, what would they be? McDonald's, maybe. Arby's, and a lot of people like Arby's. How about like a Popeyes, if you consider that fast food? But for me personally, my favorite was always the Bell. That's right, Taco Bell. And who can't deny the fact that on 3 a.m. Saturday night, what was better than being able to go through the drive-thru and get a ton of food for under like $10? The only problem with that is it's filled with calories and just all kinds of different crap that your body doesn't need. Well, today I'm here to change that for you. I'm going to make my own version. It's going to be the Goblin Grande. It's going to be low in calorie, high in protein. It's going to be anabolic. It's going to be delicious. So hopefully you guys are here, because I'm here. I'm ready to get this done. If you're ready, meet me back in my kitchen. Alright, for the nachos, I'm using these Bombitas corn tortillas. I like these because for 3 of them, there's only 100 calories in here, guys, and they taste pretty good. So what I'm going to do is going to pull out 6 of them. Lay them up on a nice little stack like this. And I'm going to grab a sharp knife. When you hold the knife, you always want to hold it in the back like that. And now, I'm just going to go straight down the middle. Get a nice little hard press. Give them a little turn. And go the other way. So we end up with these nice little triangles here. So I've had a skillet preheating over here, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take these and lay them out nice and flat in here. You're going to want to cook them on both sides about 2 to 4 minutes or until they get crispy. And if you have another skillet, this will speed this whole process up quite a bit. I do not have another skillet right now. I don't even really trust the stove, to tell you the truth. It does a decent enough job. But anyhow, you get the idea. I'm going to lay these in here, let them cook. And then I will show you the next step. Alright guys, so I got the nacho chips in here. And what we're going to do, we're going to take some nonstick, give it a good little squirt, and in this bowl I just got a Mexican blend of seasoning. It's salt, cumin, a little bit of garlic powder, some onion powder. That's it. And what we're just going to do, we're just going to give it a little sprinkle at a time. This is going to add a lot of flavor to these chips. Give it a good shake. Spray again. Hit it one more time, y'all. Until all your chips have a nice even coating on it. And with the rest of it, I'm going to use to season my beef I have over here in the skillet. When I come back, it's going to be time to build. Alright, now I got the chips tossed. I am over here cooking 1 pound of extra lean ground beef. This is 96.4, so this is some of the best mackerels you are going to find for this beef. Alright guys, now I got the chips in the bowl here. What I'm going to do next is, I picked one of these up on Amazon for like 15-20 bucks. It's a cast iron skillet. I've been wanting one for a while, so this is going to be perfect for this whole thing here. And, of course, you can't forget the nonstick. You're going to give it a nice little coating here. Now, all I'm going to do is go in here and just layer my nacho chips out in a nice, even layer. Got my first layer down in here. Now in this bowl, I have 112 grams of reduced Mexican style cheese. And I'm just going to layer it. That's one layer. Now for the next layer, I have the ground beef over here. You can use chicken, you can use pork, whatever kind of lean ground beef you want. This is 96.4, so it's really good. You go in and weigh out 112 grams. And I'm only going to use about half of that for my first layer here. Alright, Gabanoids, everything is in the skillet, ready to go. The last step of this process is you're going to take a piece of tin foil and wrap it around there before you put it into the oven. The reason why you do this, it's going to stop your chips from scorching, and it's going to make that cheese oh so ever gooey. And who don't like things that are moist and gooey? Moist. Ah, there's that word. So yeah, y'all got a nice wrap like this, nice and tight. I'm going to pop it in the oven on 400 for about 18, 20 minutes. The goal is just try to get all this cheese to melt nice and even. So I'm going to do that. Alright, Gabanoids, the moment of truth is upon us. These are first up out the oven. Get a good look down inside there, man. This bad boy is heavy. For the last up, I got about 20 grams of a low-calorie sauce on here. I'm just going to add it right on top. Now, the good thing about stuff like this is you can make these pretty much how you want them. If you want to add like pico or green onion, or if you want to do chicken instead of the ground beef like I did, it's all good, man. It's all freaking nachos. You know, how can you fail? Now it's time for the magic. We're gonna give this a day fork and see what we are working with here, ladies and gentlemen and humanoids. I'm gonna go down in here. Me a nice little beefy one real quick. Some of that cheese on there. Oh yeah, look at that. Here we go. Oh man. I'll tell you what, when these start hitting the internet, people are going to be hopping over that wall, making a run for the border for these nachos. It's a gobbling Grande here, guys. Forget about that drive-thru. If you're trying to lose some weight and still want to eat good food, start cooking more at home, y'all. I'm telling you. You're going to save a ton on calories, you're going to save some money, and actually you're going to save some time too. Think about this. By the time it takes you to walk out to your car, start that bitch up. Deal with traffic. Pull into the drive-thru. Wait for the drive-thru. Ain't no telling how long that line's gonna be with the pandemic going on and everything. You know people ain't going inside, they all going through that drive-thru. You are better off staying at home, making yourself some good healthy food, losing some weight, and still eating what you enjoy. And that is true magic. I gotta give a shout out to my boy Remington James. You know, this is another one of his inspired recipes. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time, live to play, play to live. Just play, stay entertained, stay anabolic. I'm going to keep making it magical. And I will talk with you guys later.